Welcome back, friends. So friends, now we have reached at a good point of CSS because we have learned a lot of properties and values and tags of HTML and CSS. So in this video we will make an images gallery by using HTML and CSS. So I have already made the basic structure of HTML 5.0 and this page is open before you, and it is already also opened in my Chrome browser and it is default position. So friends, I have also brought some images in this folder. First of all, I have made a new folder and I have given it the name of images. By pressing new folder, I have made a folder and gave it name images. When I double click over it, then you see that there are 16 images inside it. You can also make in this way a folder inside your CSS folder, and inside that folder you can place images. So friends, this is that page which is saved in the same folder CSS images gallery, on the name of CSS images gallery, and as I have shown you that it is totally blank. So friend, first of all we will write some codes in our HTML code panel. So first I write here center tag, and then I close the center, come above, and I make h1 tag and I give the name images gallery and close the h1 tag. I come here and refresh this page. So you see that images gallery has been written on my browser in this page. So now here I want to use some inline CSS style. So you also could learn that how can we use inline, because in all the previous video I have been using internal method of CSS. Here I will use inline method of USS in this h1 tag. So first you will write style equal to, inside this style I will write, give it font size 50 pixel, I write text decoration underline, I also write font family monotype cursiva, Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. Now you see that this style is been applied over it. I also give it color I give it teal. Text color now will be changed into teal. Now see that its color is being changed to teal color. I also give a little background orange, and also define the width 200 pixel. Now I come here and refresh it. Now you see that it is in this way. So I increase the width size 300 pixel, come back again, refresh this. Now it has been looking good. So friend, if you want to give some border, you can also give some border to it. Border 10 pixel solid yellow, border radius 70 pixel. Now I come back on my browser and refresh it. Now you see that it is been changed into this shape. Border color is not good, yellow is not looking good, so I change it. In spite of yellow, I write here green. Now I refresh it. Now it is looking more good. So friend, in this way you can also use inline CSS method. So now I come down here. Now in this way you would understand in more perfectly. Here I write the h1 and here is style is equal to, and inside these two double quotes I have written all these CSS codes by using CSS inline method. So friend, outside this h1, here the h1 is been closed. I make a div, press enter, and here I close that div. Now inside this div, friend, I write the img tag, img src is equal to double quotes and close. As you know that I have made a folder on the name of images. So first I will write the name of that folder, images backslash, and then I will write the name of that image, one.jpg, because all the images are in the jpg format. Now I Ctrl S to save. I press Ctrl S to save and come here and refresh it. Now you see that one image is here. So friend, in the same way I press Ctrl D to duplicate it for 15 times, because I have placed 16 images in that images gallery folder, images folder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here friend, you will change the name of all the images. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Ctrl S to save, and now I go on my browser and refresh this page. Now you see all these 16 pictures have been come on this page. Now we are to align them and give them a shape of perfect image gallery. So friend, now I come here in our style tag by using internal CSS method and make an ID. I told you that we make ID on the sign of hash, and I give name of this ID div1, make two curly brackets, and first I use the display property, display inline. I come down by pressing enter and make here a compound class div1 img, mean img images tag, which is inside the div1. Now I make two brackets, curly brackets, and here I define the width of those images to 200 pixel and height 150 pixel, and now I will place this div1 tag inside this div. So I come here, make a space, write ID is equal to, and I write here div1. Now Ctrl S to save, and now I come here and refresh this page. So you friend, you see that all these images have come into a line in a perfect way. So if I increase their width, then it will look more good. But first of all, I give them little margin 5 pixel to make a space among all the images. Now I come here and refresh it. Now you see that there is been made a space among all these images. So friend, I come here and I also give some margin 100 pixel, Control S to save. In spite of giving margin here, it will be more good if I give margin to whole body. $100 Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. Now friends, you see that it's been looking more perfect. If I increase the margin 200 pixel, then you see, yes, now it is in more good position. So friends, we have reached at a good point. So next video I come and tell you the more commands about image gallery.